At FlyWP, keeping your WordPress site safe is our priority. That's why you can now use Google Drive as a backup storage provider, making sure your site backups are secure, accessible, and fully under your control. Let's get set up. Start by going to Team Settings, then Backups, and click Add New Provider. From the list, select Google Drive. Click Connect Account and sign in using your Google account. You'll be redirected to Google to grant secure access. Don't worry, FlyWP doesn't store your login details, just a secure token for backups. For easy organization, you can rename the provider. Then click Add Provider to finish connecting. Here, you'll see the option to authenticate using your Google account through a secure OAuth connection. Once connected, your Google Drive account will be linked. And you'll also have the flexibility to connect and manage multiple Google accounts from the same place. Next, open Google Drive and create a dedicated folder for your backups. Keeping everything in one place makes things tidy. Now, copy the folder's ID from the URL. It's the long string at the end. This tells FlyWP exactly where to save your backups. Back in FlyWP, head to Backup Settings and paste the folder ID into the field provided. Double-check that it's correct. Now configure your backup preferences. Choose how often to run backups, how long to keep them, and what to include. When you're happy with your settings, click Save Backup Options to lock everything in. To test the connection, click Create Manual Backup. This starts a backup right away and confirms everything's working. And that's it. You'll see a backup successful message once it's done. From now on, your FlyWP site will automatically back up to Google Drive, following the schedule and settings you choose. Your backups are safe, organized, and fully in your control. Happy backing up with FlyWP and Google Drive. For more guidance, simply follow our documentation linked below in the description.